The Sony zv-1 is a compact, full-frame mirrorless camera tailored for content creators and vloggers, combining advanced imaging capabilities with user-friendly features. Design and build. Weighing approximately 17 ounces and measuring 4.8 by 2.8 by 2.1 inches, the zv-1 is notably portable. Its minimalist design. Sensor and image quality. The camera houses a 12-megapixel full-frame sensor, similar to that of the Sony a7S III and FX3. This sensor excels in low-light conditions, delivering clean 4K footage with minimal noise. Autofocus and AI features. Equipped with advanced autofocus capabilities, the zv-1 offers precise subject tracking. The inclusion of AI-driven features, such as auto-framing, intelligently crops the frame to keep subjects centered, enhancing the vlogging experience. Video capabilities. The zv-1 records 4K video at up to 60 fps without cropping. A firmware update is expected to introduce 4K/120p and Full HD/240p recording options. The camera supports 10-bit 4:2:2 all-intra recording and offers S-Cinetone and S-Log profiles for color grading flexibility. Battery life and connectivity. The zv-1 utilizes the NPF zv-100 battery, providing a reasonable shooting duration. Connectivity options include a micro HDMI port, USB-C, and a 3.5mm microphone jack. Overall, the Sony zv-1 stands out as a powerful tool for content creators seeking high-quality video in a compact form. Thank you so much.